So I walked through that door, and I said, honey, what do you think's on the other side of that door? And she said, I don't know what the heck's on the other side of that door. And so I said, heck, I'm just going to walk through that door. And I looked through, and it was Will Smith. And he was playing checkers with this dog. And I said, heck, this is great. Okay, I'm all out. That's all I got.
Well, what's happening?
We're at a fire drill because some mother effer messed something up and done burned something like an idiot. That's what we're trying to do in this country. Is get rid of them and them kids that burn popcorn. That's all I have to say to the country right now. Wah wah woo wah.
I know, right?
Heck.
Okay. Hey.